In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add math equations and graphs in Google Forms. We'll start by opening Google Forms. Once you're on the Google Forms homepage, click on Blank Form to create a new form from scratch. This gives you a clean workspace so you can build exactly what you need. After the blank form opens, look for the Gemini tool in the form editor. In this step, you'll type a description for the form into Gemini. The idea here is to let the tool help you generate content for your form more quickly, especially if you want a math-focused layout or starting point. Next, type a prompt like create a simple math equation and a graph. Keep your wording clear and direct so Gemini understands what kind of content you want. This can be a helpful shortcut when you're preparing educational materials or practice questions and want a quick draft to work from. Once your prompt is ready, click Create. After that, click Create Form to let Google Forms generate the form based on your request. In a moment, you should see the form appear with the generated content. From here, you can edit the form however you like. This is a good time to review the text, make small changes, and make sure everything looks the way you want before adding any visuals. Even if the generated form is close to what you need, a quick edit can help make it clearer for students or respondents. To add a graph image, click on the section where you want it to appear and then click the image icon. This allows you to place a visual directly into your form, which is especially useful for graphs, diagrams, or equation screenshots that need to be displayed clearly. If you already have your graph image saved in Google Drive, you can choose Google Drive and insert it from there. That's usually the easiest option if you've prepared your graph in advance. In this example, we'll use Google Images instead. Click Google Images, then type graph into the search bar. Browse the results and select a graph image that fits your form. Try to choose one that is simple and easy to read, especially if the form is meant for learning or assessment. After selecting the image you want, click Insert. The graph will then be added to your Google form. At this point, your form includes both generated math content and a graph image, and you can continue adjusting the layout if needed. That's how to add math equations and graphs in Google Forms using a mix of AI assistance and image tools.